So we're going to do a quick update on the failed bladder sling surgery because it's been a minute since I've updated and I've been getting a lot of comments and questions on it again recently, and most of my updates have been buried. So we'll just kind of start from the beginning. On September 27th of 2022, I had a hysterectomy and a transorbitator, I know I'm saying that wrong, but that sling placed. I had been waiting a few years to get this surgery done. I was super excited. It was going to be absolutely life-changing for me. And it was, but not the way that I wanted it to. Immediately, like the next day, I knew that something was wrong. I didn't know what it was, but I knew that the surgery didn't work and I was in a lot of pain. Like, it actually felt like they broke my hips. And I had one doctor perform both surgeries. And I later found out that it's usually separated. One doctor does the hysterectomy and one doctor does the sling, but I had one doctor do both surgeries. Went to that doctor at my 2-week appointment, told him something was wrong. He didn't handle that well and gave me a name and number to another doctor, which I went down to see immediately, and she was great. She explained that my body was probably rejecting the mesh, or I was having a reaction of some type to the mesh, and we started pelvic floor physical therapy. That didn't fix anything, so on February 8th of this year, we had it removed. Immediately, I felt relief, and we found out that it wasn't my body rejecting the sling. It was actually, all of that pain was due to that doctor placed the sling in the wrong place. And it did a bunch of damage to my bladder and to my pelvic floor muscle. My next options were either to do a mid-urethral sling or do bladder bulking. We're opting for bladder bulking to give my body a break from surgery. And I see that doctor in May to schedule to get that done. And so yeah, that's kind of my story on that. I do have a friend that just had the same sling that I got and a hysterectomy done last month, and hers went super smooth. She has no complications. It worked the way it was supposed to. She had 2 different doctors do her surgery, and she's super happy with the results. So mine was not my body rejecting or a problem with the sling. Mine was a problem with the doctor.